Welcome back everybody. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a 5-pack of Hot Wheels Flames cars. Now I had this pack in the box for some time, and I thought it's about time we busted it open and released these cars into the world. So this is a sealed box. I can't remember how long I've had this. I don't know what year it is, I'm sorry. But there's 5 cars in the set, as you can see. And on the back it's got it listed: 65 Chevy Impala, 69 Camaro, 66 Chevy Nova, 67 Shelby GT500, and custom 77 Dodge van. And it's also got on the box there that as voted for online, all featuring cool flame details. So maybe this was something that Hot Wheels did a few years ago, where they got people to vote for what they wanted in a 5-pack, and we're going to get that going today. So while I'm unboxing this, I'm going to put the turntable up there, and I'm going to go through them one by one, and I'm going to put on there a car that I got some years ago, actually, as part of a few cars I bought from a guy online. And it included this Humvee. And this Humvee has got some serious flame action going on it too. So I'll just zoom in on that for you. Just show you that guy there. Now that's a pretty cool jacked up Hummer. So obviously part of the Flame series for one of the years. This is how I got it unboxed. And I'm not normally into monster trucks or big 4-wheel drives, but this just came part of some cars I bought, so it was a case of, well, I got it as part of the package, so that's all good. That's actually pretty cool. The more I look at it, the more I glance at it, the more I really like it. It's quite a neat looking set of graphics on that. Great flame detail on the side. Awesome gold wheels and gold accents on the front. The interior is pretty cool too. It's all gold on the inside. So that's pretty neat. So while that's spinning around, you hear me rustling away here, I'm going to break open this 5-pack and see what we can see. Okay, so that's the box open. So the first car up out of the 5-pack is going to be, just center the old turntable there on my background, the 65 Chevy Impala. This is quite a neat casting, and we'll just take the Hummer off there and we'll put this one on just to give you an idea. That's real low rider style, that pretty cool. Really nicely detailed, lovely gold colour, beautiful flame detail, really cool wheels, real low rider style on it. That's a really cool casting. I've got a couple of these in main lines and a few other cars I've got, but this particular one, I saw this set and I thought, yeah, you know, that's pretty cool. I like every car in this 5-box set, whereas I see a lot of the 5-car sets and maybe I like one or two of them and think, nah, I don't want to get the other 3, but I just saw this one and I thought, man, all 5 of these cars are great. So I'm going to grab that, and today I'm busting them out for you to have a look at. So that is the 65 Chevy Impala in beautiful gold with white and yellow flame details on it and gold wheels. So just next up is the 69 Camaro. Now this is a convertible, so we'll just take that one off. Yeah, put my felt pad back on there, and there's the 69 Camaro. And that's pretty cool. That's got a nice angled stance on it. It's sort of in a nice burgundy colour with some really nice flame details. Really cool wheels. Not a lot of front headlight or real tail light details on these cars, but the paint job on them is really nice. and the whole sort of hot rod feel of them looks pretty cool. So that's pretty neat. It's a nice looking car in that burgundy colour with that light interior, sort of a light tan interior or creamy interior. That's pretty cool. Next up, a bit of an old favourite. You know, Hot Wheels have done this one for a long time. A 66 Chevy Nova. So take that one off. Put the Chevy Nova on. I really like this casting and I really like this car. I love the colour. Beautiful emerald green. Green tinted glass. Beautiful light green flame details. Great chrome front on it. It's got that real sort of low rider slam down hot rod thing going on. Nice chrome bumper at the back. That probably is my favourite one in the pack, I would say. Maybe the Chevy Impala. Close first equal maybe. But I particularly like the colour scheme on this one. Next up, we've got a 67 Shelby GT 500. And that is pretty neat. I'm not a big Mustang fan, but the colours on this are great. This is beautiful gloss black, really cool sort of fluorescent red wheels, and some nice flame detail on it there, and beautiful red interior. Probably didn't appreciate this one when I first saw it, but the more I look at it, you know, it's like that Humvee. The more I look at it, the more I like it. That is a beautiful car. That's a gorgeous car. And the last of the 5-pack. And I'm a bit partial to vans, custom vans. So this is a custom 77 Dodge van. And that is pretty funky looking. Different colour scheme to the others, that's for sure. Orange interior, orange tinted glass, yellow wheels, metallic blue with the orange and yellow flames. That's pretty different with the yellow wheels. Same wheels as what's on that Ferrari Scudo 460 that I had in one of my other videos. I'm not a big fan of these wheels, but they don't look too bad on this particular van with the way they've got the other colours going on. So pretty much that is the 5-pack of Hot Wheels Flames. And just to add something extra to this video, while I was out tonight, I picked up a Hot Wheels 50th anniversary 70s carded van, same van. That one there, custom 77 Dodge van from the 70s series. I'm not a big fan of some of these 70s, 80s and 90s series because I just don't like, I don't either like the cars or the colours. But I saw this one and I thought, well, seeing as I've got one with the flames, we may as well bust this one out of its packet as well for you tonight. And do a bit of a comparison. So here it comes. Pretty well sealed in there, but he's coming out. And while that fan's spinning around, I'll get this one out and we can do a little bit of a comparison between the two. So it's the same casting, but just different tempos, different style. This is a real retro sort of 70s van in a sort of metallic brown or bronzy brown colour with those real 70s sort of stripes on it. Pretty cool wheels. Nice tail light detail on this one actually, which the Flames version doesn't have. It's got the chrome grille and headlights, the same as the Flames version, but a more 70s sort of, I don't know, sort of semi-psychedelic kind of, not a psychedelic 60s, but psychedelic stripes that they used to use in the 70s. Probably the wrong word to describe it, but that's the best I can think of. So that's my extra car for tonight. Only a short video tonight, just to go through that pack. I also picked up a couple more Maisto, a Maisto Exotic and a Maisto Muscle, and I'll go through those in another video. So I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, just to show you a really cool 5-pack that I've got. And now they're out in the open and free. They'll have to go on the wall display. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and leave any comments you like. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, and I'll do my best to work my way through my toy collection and show you some different stuff. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the messages, and you guys have a great evening and enjoy the video. And take care out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.